Hey there, welcome back to channel. If your Android device is showing connection issues or websites aren't loading properly, it might be time to clear the DNS cache. Today, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. DNS, or Domain Name System, helps translate website names into IP addresses, allowing your phone to connect to the right server. Sometimes this cache can become outdated or corrupted, causing browsing issues like this website. Maybe the IP address changed. I can't seem to connect to it on this device. If you're using Google Chrome, this is how you clear the DNS cache. Open Google Chrome on your Android device. In the address bar, type this URL and tap Go. You'll see the DNS settings page. Tap Clear Host Cache. That's it. This clears Chrome's internal DNS cache, which can fix loading issues for specific websites. By clearing the DNS cache on your Android device and in Google Chrome, you can solve most browsing issues. Go to Settings on your phone, and in the search box, type Reset and tap on Wi-Fi Reset or something similar depending on your phone. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so make sure you reconnect afterward. And that's it. By following these steps, you can clear the DNS cache on your Android device and get back to browsing smoothly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.